For the repair of modules, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 220-volt AC power supply, a lamp to simulate the motor, and two switches. When we turn on the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly, and we can see the lamp lighting up. With the first switch, we can turn on and turn off the power supply, and with the second switch, we can change the mode from pulsating to continuously. The same process repeated for the other modules. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that all of the modules are working successfully and they are ready to be delivered to the customer.